Everyone knows Stanley Steemer as the professional carpet cleaner. But did you know we have the tools and training to deep clean your tile and grout flooring? We actually extract the ground-in dirt in a way you never could with a mop or broom. Our cleaning process begins by scrubbing the grout lines between each tile with a pH-balanced cleaning solution. This releases the ground-in dirt and grime that gets trapped in the pores of the grout. Next, we use a state-of-the-art high-pressure rotary wand, which forces hot water and cleaning solution on and into your tile and grout, while creating a strong suction that extracts the dirt from your floors and out of your home, revealing a brand new look to your entire room. It could easily cost you hundreds, even thousands to replace your existing floors. But not with a tile and grout cleaning from Stanley Steemer. Not only will you save money, you'll save time too. We'll have your floors clean in a fraction of the time it would take to replace them. To extend the life of your cleaning, we offer two types of grout-protecting sealants, Clear Seal and Color Seal. Color Seal is available in a wide variety of colors, complementing every decor to improve the look of your room. Choose a totally different color for an even more dramatic transformation, giving your room a completely new look. Visit StanleySteemer.com or call 1-800-STEAMER.